Have you ever wondered what exotic plants can do to your garden? Imagine transforming your garden into a vibrant, unique haven, a space that stands out with bold, vibrant colors and unusual shapes. Exotic plants with their impressive diversity can do just that. From the striking foliage of the bird of paradise to the intricate blossoms of the orchid cactus, these plants add a touch of the extraordinary to any garden. So, are you ready for an adventure in your own backyard? Let's journey into the world of exotic plants. Prepare to be amazed as we reveal the top 20 exotic plants you need in your garden. First on our list is the awe-inspiring Venus flytrap. Native to the subtropical wetlands of the east coast of the United States, this carnivorous plant is as fascinating as it is unique. With its jaw-like leaves and its ability to snap shut on unsuspecting insects, it's a surefire conversation starter. Just remember, it's not a fan of tap water, so rainwater or distilled water is the way to go. Next up we have the Rafflesia arnoldi, also known as the corpse flower. Hailing from the rainforests of Sumatra and Borneo, it's renowned for producing the largest individual flower on Earth. But beware, its nickname comes from its notorious smell, similar to decaying flesh. A little tip, keep it in a well-ventilated area. Third on our list is the vibrant bird of paradise. With its striking orange and blue flowers that resemble a bird in flight, it's a true showstopper. It hails from South Africa but has made its way into gardens worldwide. It loves sunlight and needs a lot of it, so place it in a bright spot. Coming in at number 4 is the exotic jade vine. Native to the tropical forests of the Philippines, its cascading clusters of luminous green flowers are truly a sight to behold. It's a climbing plant, so it's perfect for adding a touch of the tropics to your trellises or pergolas. The fifth plant we have is the snake plant. With its tall, sharp leaves and its tolerance for low light and infrequent watering, it's a great option for those who are new to the world of exotic plants. Not to mention, it's an excellent air purifier. Moving on, we have the desert rose at number 6. This plant is a beauty with its bright pink flowers and thick, succulent stem. It's native to the arid regions of Africa and the Arabian Peninsula, so it's a tough one. It thrives in dry, sunny conditions and doesn't mind being a little root-bound. Seventh on our list is the dragon tree. With its striking sword-like leaves and its ability to reach towering heights, it's a fantastic choice if you're looking to make a statement. It's pretty low maintenance, but it does prefer bright, indirect light. Next, the passion flower takes the 8th spot. Native to South America, its complex, intricate flowers are simply mesmerizing. It's a vigorous climber, so it's perfect for covering fences or walls. And a bonus, it produces edible fruit. At number 9 we have the fiddle leaf fig. With its glossy, violin-shaped leaves, it's a favorite among interior designers. It's a bit finicky though. It likes a lot of light but not too much direct sunlight, and it doesn't like to be moved around. Rounding out the top 10 is the rubber plant. Native to India and Malaysia, its large, glossy leaves are a wonderful addition to any space. It's pretty low maintenance, but it does appreciate a good misting now and then. Coming in at number 11 is the pitcher plant. Another carnivorous beauty, this one lures insects into its pitcher-shaped trap with sweet nectar. It's a bit of a challenge to grow, but the reward is well worth the effort. 12th on our list is the monkey face orchid. This quirky plant gets its name from its uncanny resemblance to a monkey's face. It's a bit tricky to care for, needing high humidity and low light, but it's definitely a conversation starter. Next up, we have the lithops, also known as living stones, at number 13. These small stone-like plants are native to South Africa and are perfect for those who appreciate the unusual. They're pretty low maintenance, just be careful not to overwater. 14th on our list is the ghost plant. With its pale, almost translucent leaves, it's a striking addition to any succulent collection. It's pretty easy to care for, loving lots of sunlight and well-draining soil. Coming in at number 15 is the Titan arum. This giant of the plant world is known for its enormous flower spike and, you guessed it, another corpse-like smell. It's a challenge to grow, but if you're up for it, it's certainly unforgettable. Up next, we have the spiral aloe at number 16. This succulent is famous for its spiral pattern of leaves. It's a bit tricky to keep happy, needing cool temperatures and well-draining soil, but it's definitely worth the effort. At number 17 we have the Chinese lantern. With its bright orange, lantern-shaped pods, it's a fantastic choice for adding a pop of color to your garden. It's pretty easy to grow, loving full sun or partial shade. 18th on our list is the parrot's beak. This plant gets its name from its curved beak-like flowers. It's a bit finicky, needing just the right conditions to bloom, but when it does, it's absolutely stunning. Second to the last, we have the Mimosa pudica, also known as the sensitive plant. This fascinating plant reacts to touch by folding its leaves inwards, making it a favorite among kids and adults alike. It's pretty easy to care for, loving warm temperatures and indirect sunlight. And finally, at number 20, we have the corpse lily. This rare and endangered plant is known for its enormous, parasol-like structure and yet again, a smell akin to rotting flesh. It's a challenge to grow, but for those who are up for it, it's a truly remarkable sight. And there you have it, 20 exotic plants that can transform your garden into a tropical paradise. But what makes these exotic plants so special, you may ask? Well, these unique flora aren't just for show, they play a fundamental role in enhancing biodiversity. By introducing exotic plants to your garden, you invite a whole new world of insects and birds, providing them a habitat that wouldn't exist otherwise. These plants also contribute to a unique aesthetic, creating an allure that's hard to resist. Imagine stepping into your garden and being transported to a different part of the world, surrounded by a riot of colors and a symphony of scents. It's like having your own personal Eden. Moreover, cultivating exotic plants can be a rewarding challenge. It demands a careful balance of light, soil, and water, making it a gratifying hobby for those who enjoy nurturing and watching things grow. In a nutshell, exotic plants not only beautify your garden, but also contribute to the ecosystem. They're not just plants, they're a bridge to a world unseen, a world waiting to be explored. Now that you know the top exotic plants to have in your garden, what's next? Well, it's time to spread this newfound knowledge. Share the beauty of these plants with your friends, family, and fellow garden enthusiasts. Empower others to create their own vibrant exotic garden masterpieces. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and green thumb wisdom. Remember, every garden is a story waiting to be told. Help us tell more stories by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Happy gardening!